Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Lenny Vivo, V to the I to the V to the O, and today I have some breaking news for you guys. Upcoming dancehall artist jahsii basically got himself locked up on Grand Market night, guys. I have the video to show, so I'll just break it down in details for you. So what I basically see on this video is basically two artists performing. One performing before jahsii, but as soon as jahsii take the mic, I realized that a police walked from in the crowd and he just go on the stage and start to push off everybody. And I don't understand the reason why they only lock up jahsii alone. What about the rest of guys? What about the promoter? You know what I mean? There's thousands of people there, so I'm not wondering what is the problem, what they charge jahsii with. Because when you look at that video, there's a lot of people there. So if there's gonna be a lot of people there, why are you gonna choose one person and lock up that one person? You know what I mean? What about the promoter? What about the people who respond for the music and stuff like that? But I don't know the full 100. But if anybody in the comment section know what exactly is going on, you can leave me a comment and let me know. But it doesn't look good on jahsii side, because like 2 weeks ago, jahsii do an interview and entertainment report, and he was basically saying that police are more corrupt than anybody else. You know what I mean? So I think for just saying that statement, he just attached police to his side. You know what I mean? So let's see how this will play out. Let's see how long you're gonna stay in jail and stuff like that. But I think you need to watch yourself now, because police are basically watching him, because he said a lot of things in that interview that possibly he should not say. You know what I mean? You can go back and watch that video on Entertainment Report. So as an upcoming artist, I think you have to be more smarter. Not everything good to eat, good for talk. You know, we Jamaican, I like to say stuff like that. So it doesn't look good for him. Really don't look good. It's very young. And to go to jail for basically stupid things like this don't really make no sense. I'm wondering if he's just because it was 1 o'clock curfew and possible they already broke the curfew law. But if everybody broke the curfew law, why you gonna want to lock up one person? So you still come back down to target. I think he's a target when it comes on to police for some reason, and you have to be very careful. Okay guys, so anybody have any update on this situation, please leave in the comment so I can get more information on this situation. Okay guys, before I go guys, I'm just asking you guys please to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're here for the very first time, and I'm also asking you to like the video and please leave a comment so I know exactly where you are watching the video from. And guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna show the video to you right now. Okay guys?
Please crash jahsii performance in Clarendon.
Life sweet coming over. Memories in the past, mama. I feel replace with the tears in the past. I wake up hard and walk one 25 years right now. I never be one poverty. Poverty does so good to me, pussy mother. That's good. Rolling on. We're stuck in the lead. Family dead.
Hi and welcome to E Prime. This evening I am your girl Ivani. jahsii will spend the rest of the Christmas locked up. For the Jamaica Constable Force reported this morning that the dancehall artist given name Malik Tafari Clark was arrested last night, December the 24th. Social media platform pages Eyewitness saw when jahsii, the dancehall artist, was arrested last night at an event in Clarendon that he was performing. Known jahsii has breached Andrew Olney's curfew. We will show you a video of what happened last night. Please stay tuned. jahsii was on an interview early December, was talking about his life, things that he wants to change, things that he wants to accomplish. But Circumstances: the Jamaica Constable Force wanted Jahsii for questioning based on the interview that he did. Please take a look at the interview. It appears that Jahsii wasn't afraid at all last night.